Guess what time it is again? It's popcorn time. It's popcorn time. We're gonna try multiple things of popcorn today. We're gonna try popcorn on a stove. We're gonna try popcorn in a fireplace. We're gonna try popcorn in a movie theater popper. And we're gonna try popcorn in an air popper. Here comes the movie theater style popcorn maker. It's got this special light that goes, popcorn, popcorn time. I hear a little bit popping already. Can you smell it? I think that's burnt smell. Interesting. And then my favorite way to make popcorn with the big pot. Got some coconut oil in there. Yeah. Popcorn in there, yeah. Got some popcorn in there now. This is gonna be fun, ain't it? You watch that popcorn pop. Gotta make sure you shake it. All right, we got a full pot. Nice and full bowl. Gonna try a Jiffy Pot in the fireplace. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Let's check it out. I suppose we should take the cardboard off. There's no instructions. Whoops, I burned the instructions. 47 minutes. It's hot. Taking a long time. Alright, we got the awesome fireplace popcorn. Let's see how much it makes. Let's go ahead and put it in a bowl here. You know what it reminds me of? Your favorite hornet nest. Uh-oh. The hornet's got to it. Now that's what you call smoked popcorn. I could say it's good. We'll let you decide for yourself. Alright, so what we have here is pot on the stove popcorn, because it makes so much. That's the bulk of what we got. Then we have fireplace popcorn, looks a little yellow and brown and black. We got red air popper. And then we got movie theater popper. Yeah, we could have made a couple more batches of that and made more, but we're in a hurry because we want to eat all this popcorn. Popcorn time.